Are you tired of disruptions in your automation environment and seeking a solution to enhance the reliability and efficiency? Look no further. The HCL UnO agent is here to revolutionize your operations with cutting-edge capabilities. Elevate your automation scenarios with flawless efficiency and advanced security features. Effortless installation. Installing HCL UnO agent on your computer is a breeze. It effortlessly integrates with your system, ready to enhance performance from the moment it's installed. Tailored customization. Customize your agent to suit your specific needs. Configure parameters even before starting the agent, ensuring a tailored setup that aligns perfectly with your requirements. Enhanced reliability and efficiency. Say goodbye to disruptions during agent updates. HCL UnO agent ensures smooth transitions, guaranteeing uninterrupted performance. Plus, with automatic plugin updates, your system efficiency is continuously optimized. Advanced security measures. Your data and communications are always safeguarded. Through robust encryption, the agent ensures that your information remains protected from unauthorized access or interception, providing you peace of mind. Seamless job management. Keep your workflow uninterrupted during updates. With HCL UnO agent, updates are flawless and ensures no interruption or loss of jobs. Your workflow always remains smooth and continuous. Zero downtime updates. Outdated plugin versions? Not a problem. Stay up to date without any disruptions. HCL agent retrieves the latest version effortlessly through scripts with zero downtime. Flexible management with scripts. Manage your agents effortlessly through scripts, providing you with unparalleled flexibility and customization options to tailor the functionalities. Experience the future of automation and security with HCL UnO agent. Elevate your operations, enhance efficiency, and ensure unparalleled reliability. HCL UnO agent, on-premise agent designed to meet all your automation demands. For more details, contact us.